In today's demo, we're going to look at the process of creating Windows 7 desktop images and creating single user host pools with Windows 7 desktops. So the first place to start is by going into the desktop images menu on the left. And if we want to add a new Windows 7 desktop using the Azure Marketplace gallery image, we're going to click on Add from Azure Library. Then we're going to select Windows 7 Enterprise Single User Session Desktop. And what this is going to do is going to provide us with a set of instructions that we need to go through once the VM is created from the Azure Marketplace. And there's a handful of things that we need to do before it is ready to be used as a WVD template. And there is a Microsoft article that is linked over here that kind of walks you through the various steps. Nerdio Manager for WVD will automate some of these steps with the exception of steps 5 through 9, which is going to require you to log in to the VM that will get created as part of this process, install all of the Windows updates in the important category, install the RDP protocol version 8 using this particular update that's linked here, then configure some local policies. And then once you're done, there's going to be a button that says the power off and set as image, which is going to take that VM that you've modified and imported and convert it into an image object and make it available to provision session host and host pools from it. So this is where you would go in order to create a Windows 7 image from the Azure Marketplace and the gallery. If you wanted to import a Windows 7 VM from a previous deployment, for example, if you already have a Windows 7 image, or if you're going to be importing a number of different VMs from your existing on-premises environment, then instead of using the Add from Azure Library button, you would use the Add from Azure VM button. Here, you would select your operating system again as Windows 7 Enterprise. You would provide the SAS URL to the exported managed disk of the VM that you're trying to import. And then again, this just tells you to make sure that you've gone through the steps of making your Windows 7 VM ready for WVD. Once the image is created, then you would use it as you normally would use any other desktop image in the Nerdio Manager to configure host pools and add session hosts to those host pools.